The Chemistry of Sunscreen by Melanie Story and Isabella Creighton. Why do we need to use sunscreen? The photons of UV light cause damage to our skin. Our DNA absorbs both UVA and UVB rays, which causes mutations that can lead to skin cancer. By limiting our exposure to UV rays, we can decrease the risk of skin cancer and the signs of aging. UV rays. UV rays can be found on the electromagnetic spectrum. As scientists have discovered how damaging UV rays can be, more research has been conducted on how UV rays affect our skin and how we can protect our skin. UV rays can also be broken down into UVA rays and UVB rays. UVA rays versus UVB rays. UVA rays have a wavelength of 320 to 400 nanometers, while UVB rays have a wavelength of 280 to 320 nanometers. UVA rays get deeper into our skin than the UVB rays do, and UVA rays destroy collagen, causing wrinkles. UVB rays, on the other hand, cause us to get sunburned. How sunscreen works. Sunscreen uses UV filters. These filters help decrease the amount of UV rays that get beneath the skin's surface and create a barrier. When the barrier absorbs the photon, it is a chemical filter. These barriers are made of organic ingredients. When the barrier reflects the photons, it is a physical blocker. These blockers are made of inorganic ingredients. Inorganic ingredients include zinc oxide and titanium oxide, while organic ingredients include oxyl methocinamate and oxybenzone. By both blocking and absorbing UV rays, sunscreen can work to block both UVA rays and UVB rays. Chemical ingredients in sunscreen react with UV rays before they hit your skin. SPF values. SPF represents the relative time it takes for an individual to get sunburned by the UVB radiation. This SPF rating on sunscreen only refers to UVB protection. To get UVA protection, you should look for a sunscreen that is labeled broad spectrum. It is important to remember no matter how high the SPF on a sunscreen is, it does not block all rays. So how much sunscreen do you actually need? It takes an ounce of sunscreen to cover your body from head to toe when you're wearing a bathing suit, which is equivalent to the palm on the right. Most people only use about half, which is the palm on the left. FDA regulating sunscreen. Sunscreen is regulated in the United States as a drug by the FDA. The FDA has approved 14 molecules that block UVB rays, but only have 2 molecules to block UVA. The FDA has also created labeling requirements for sunscreen.